This brief video will show you how to correctly set up and complete a VENDYS test. After booting up the device and successfully logging in, you will be taken to the home screen, where you can start a VENDYS test, access patient data, device settings and instructional videos. When you start a VENDYS test, listen carefully to the audio guide and on-screen step-by-step instructions. Start by placing the heating pad on the patient's shoulder. This will help relax the patient and prevent or alleviate cold fingers. Ideally, when the fingertip temperature is less than 27 degrees Celsius. Next, place the lap pad on the patient's lap. Have the patient rest their hands on the pad for the entirety of the test. Place the arm blood pressure cuff on the patient's right arm and the finger temperature sensors on the left and right index fingers. The right temperature sensor is marked with a red sticker and the left is marked with a blue sticker. Make sure the room temperature sensor is resting on the lap pad. Use the Velcro to secure the sensor to the lap pad. The test will begin by measuring the patient's blood pressure automatically. After measuring blood pressure, the VENDYS test will begin. This is the VENDYS test screen. Here, you will be able to see the temperature changes real-time, quality check information, patient information, and test phase time information. The first 5 minutes of the test measure the baseline temperature of both right and left fingers. The next 5 minutes of the test is the occlusion phase. The cuff will inflate for 5 minutes, resulting in occlusion of blood flow of the right arm, causing the fingertip temperature to drop. The last 5 minutes of the test is the rebound phase. The cuff will deflate and blood flow will be restored, and an excess amount of blood flow runs down the arm due to a reactive hyperemia response. As the blood flow restores, the temperature of patient's right finger rebounds. The more the blood flow, the higher the temperature rebound, the better the vascular function. Once the test is over, remove the fingertip temperature sensors, lap pad, and heating pad. You will then receive a prompt allowing you to generate report and see the patient's test results. The test results page includes information about the test overview, patient's vascular reactivity index, VRI, blood pressure, and basic information. For more information on how to interpret your results, visit www.endothelix.com.